Learn Hindi, see verbs fast. C2.
वे देखते हैं.
For English speakers. Welcome to Seeing Stuff. Hey, you are about to learn how to say, see, in Hindi without staring at a grammar wall until it stares back. We will keep it light, useful, and a little ridiculous. Today your superstar verb is
देखना.
which means see. Think of a giant eye opening the curtains at sunrise just to
देखना.
the world. In English we say, see. In Hindi,
देखना.
say it with me.
देखना.
Very good. No giant eye certification required. Meet the whole seeing family. Now you will meet the full cast of this tiny drama. Imagine they are all at a hilltop, pointing at random things with suspicious enthusiasm. Base form. C equals.
देखना.
Example. I want to.
देखना.
The stars. I see equals.
मैं देखता हूँ.
A detective in oversized glasses whispers.
मैं देखता हूँ.
You see equals.
देखते हो.
Your friend points at the moon and says you.
देखते हो.
He sees equals.
वो देखता है.
He looks at the river and yes.
वो देखता है.
She sees equals.
वो देखती है.
She spots a butterfly, so.
वो देखती है.
It looks equals.
ऐसा लगता है.
Dark clouds gather in.
ऐसा लगता है.
That rain is coming. We see equals.
हम देखते हैं.
The curtain opens in.
हम देखते हैं.
The stage. You all see equals.
तुम सब देखते हो.
In class.
तुम सब देखते हो.
The answer on the board. They see equals.
वे देखते हैं.
At night.
वे देखते हैं.
The stars. A very serious hilltop scene. Let us turn the forms into a mini story. It is serious in the way a dancing potato with glasses is serious. A group of friends climbs a hill before sunrise. One says, I want to.
देखना.
The city wake up. Another squints dramatically and says,
मैं देखता हूँ.
the first light. Then someone nudges you and asks, hey, you.
देखते हो.
That bird, right? A boy points toward the river.
वो देखता है.
The boats. A girl laughs and says,
वो देखती है.
the rainbow first. The clouds gather and everybody agrees.
ऐसा लगता है.
It may rain. Still, the group smiles because
हम देखते हैं.
something beautiful. The guide turns to the whole class.
तुम सब देखते हो.
The mountains now? And from below, tourists point upward and whisper.
वे देखते हैं.
The sunrise too. Meanwhile, the potato in sunglasses sees everything and demands a better camera angle. Quick pattern power. You do not need a giant grammar textbook right now. Just notice a few patterns and you will already sound much smarter than yesterday. The core idea stays around.
देख.
From.
देखना.
For, I see, you have.
मैं देखता हूँ.
Hear the ending.
देखता हूँ.
For, you see, you use.
देखते हो.
It is short, useful, and great for conversation. For, he sees, say.
वो देखता है.
For, she sees, change it to.
वो देखती है.
For groups, listen for.
देखते हैं.
In.
हम देखते हैं.
And.
वे देखते हैं.
For, you all see, just add the group idea.
तुम सब देखते हो.
And.
ऐसा लगता है.
Is a little different. It means, it looks, or, it seems. Useful when you are not fully sure but want to sound wise. Repeat after me, like a movie hero. Now comes the fun part. Just listen and repeat. Extra drama is allowed. In fact, extra drama is encouraged. See.
देखना.
I see.
मैं देखता हूँ.
You see.
देखते हो.
He sees.
वो देखता है.
She sees.
वो देखती है.
It looks.
ऐसा लगता है.
We see.
हम देखते हैं.
You all see.
तुम सब देखते हो.
They see.
वे देखते हैं.
Mini dialogues with maximum drama. Here are tiny scenes you can actually imagine. Because your brain loves stories almost as much as it loves snacks. A. Can you see the moon? B. Yes.
मैं देखता हूँ.
A. What do you notice from here? B. I want to.
देखना.
The mountain. A. Do you see the answer? B. Yes.
देखते हो.
Becomes easier with practice. A. Does he see the sign? B. Yes.
वो देखता है.
A. Who notices the butterfly first? B.
वो देखती है.
A. Will it rain? B.
ऐसा लगता है.
A. What happens when the curtain opens? B.
हम देखते हैं.
The stage. A. Class, do you all see the board? B. Yes.
तुम सब देखते हो.
A. What are those tourists doing? B.
वे देखते हैं.
The stars. Tiny quiz, big confidence. You are up. Answer in your head or out loud. If your cat judges you, that is between you and the cat. How do you say, see?
देखना.
How do you say, I see?
मैं देखता हूँ.
How do you say, you see?
देखते हो.
How do you say, he sees?
वो देखता है.
How do you say, she sees?
वो देखती है.
How do you say, it looks, or, it seems?
ऐसा लगता है.
How do you say, we see?
हम देखते हैं.
How do you say, you all see?
तुम सब देखते हो.
How do you say, they see?
वे देखते हैं.
Memory tricks that actually stick. Let us glue these words into your memory with a little weirdness. Weirdness is educational. Probably. Picture your front door. A giant eye is standing there politely, because apparently that is normal now. It says,
देखना.
Then you open the door and say,
मैं देखता हूँ.
Your friend behind you points and says,
देखते हो.
A man across the street says,
वो देखता है.
A woman on a bicycle adds,
वो देखती है.
The sky turns gray.
ऐसा लगता है.
Your family joins in.
हम देखते हैं.
Your whole friend group shouts.
तुम सब देखते हो.
And from every window in the neighborhood.
वे देखते हैं.
If that image is strange, excellent. Strange is memorable. Friendly conclusion. You made it, and your Hindi eyes are officially stronger now. Not laser beam strong, but still impressive. Today you practiced.
देखना. मैं देखता हूँ. देखते हो. वो देखता है. वो देखती है. ऐसा लगता है. हम देखते हैं. तुम सब देखते हो.
And.
वे देखते हैं.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use the phrases in tiny real-life moments, and come back tomorrow to make them feel natural. You are doing great.